Alright, how long have I wanted one of these for? I'd say it's been probably a year now that I've wanted one. Yeah, definitely. It's been popping up everywhere on social media. The guys over at Dirtworks and stuff for Supercross have it. I mean, we always want attachments, right? You can never have enough attachments. Seeing what it can do out in the wild is very impressive. So be a great addition to my program, being here at the McNeil farm, always working on the course, working with different materials. We have decomposed granite and clay here, so being able to have something that can churn them together and mix and get a good mixture of decomposed granite and clay, this is the perfect setup for being able to combine those two and mix them together. Just with the hard pack surfaces, being able to penetrate that type of material, something like this is going to be a game changer. Being able to soften up this material here and really work it in and change my jumps and things like that, I think the Hydra Bucket's really going to be key for that. Also, having the asphalt grindings on the road, the driveway and out the front, being able to just get rid of those big clods, break them down and then remix them back into the material, having a good base. I think the Hydra Bucket is probably the main focus key thing for that, so stoked on it. As you can see, we've got the American flag on there. That's because CMP is made here in the United States. You know, most things in the United States are made with good quality, so I really wanted to have something that was made here in the USA. Stoked to be able to represent a company like CMP and know that you guys are getting great quality products. That's always, you know, the best thing you could want.
Made here, made better, CMP.